NOS barrium tire. Thing's so hard. I'll warm it up, see if I can make it easier to put on. With a maico 125. I wonder if they were this hard when they were new. Well, it is new, but I don't know how many years old it is. Pretty freaking stiff. A new tube to powder that up. It'll be fun to stuff in here and not pinch it. I guarantee I'll pinch one of them. Here's the front tire. This one looks a lot nicer. This one's pretty dirty. Let's see what happens. Well, I did get the tires on, and yes, I did pinch the tubes. They were too big, so I got smaller size tubes. And we'll try it again tomorrow.